Step 1. Log into the Google Workspace Admin Console. Open a browser and navigate to admin.google.com. Log into the Google Workspace Admin Console. Step 2. Create a subdomain in Google Workspace. Navigate to Accounts. The domains, Manage Domains. Domain dazzlecloudseas.com is already verified. Proceed to add the subdomain. Click Add a Domain. Enter the subdomain 365mail.dazzlecloudseas.com and select. A subdomain enables uninterrupted email communication between users who are migrated to Microsoft 365 and those who are not. Select User Alias Domain. When a subdomain is created in Google Workspace, it adds an email address within all user accounts with that subdomain. Click Add and Verify to verify the domain. Once verified, the subdomain is successfully added. Step 3. Add the subdomain in Microsoft 365. Open a browser and navigate to admin.microsoft.com to log into the Microsoft 365 admin portal. Navigate to Settings of Domains. Verify that the main domain is already verified in the tenant. Note, do not add the MX record to Microsoft 365 since the MX record points to Google Workspace. Click Add Domain and type the subdomain. I have already verified the domain here. Type domain name and follow the process. Domain is verified, a green checkmark will appear. Step 4. Create an additional subdomain in Google Workspace. Return to the Google Admin Console. Follow the same steps to add a subdomain. For example, create a subdomain gws.dazzlecloudseas.com for external email address routing. Click Add Domain, enter the domain name, select User Alias Domain, and click Save and Verify. Subdomain is successfully verified. Step 5. Create mail users in Exchange Admin Center. Open a browser and navigate to admin.exchange.microsoft.com to log into the Exchange Admin Center. Navigate to Contacts and click Add Mail User. Create mail users for accounts to be migrated to Microsoft 365. The routing domain, subdomain created in Google Workspace and added to Microsoft 365. Assign the routing domain. Add the external email address for each mail user using the Google Workspace subdomain, gws.dazzlecloudseas.com. Similarly, I will create another 2 user as well here. Add a secondary email address for each mail user. Step 6. Assign required permissions in Google Workspace. Open a new tab and navigate to console.cloud.google.com/cloud-resource-manager. Click Create Project and leave the organization and location as default. Click on Create. Refresh the page to view the created project. Select the organization and, on the right side under Permissions, click Add Principal. Add the Google Workspace admin account email address as the principal. Assign the following roles. Create service accounts. Project Creator. Click Save and verify the roles under the Permissions section. Step 7. Enable APIs in Google Workspace. Navigate to APIs and Services library in the Google Cloud Console. Enable the following APIs for the project. Gmail API. Google Calendar API. Contacts API. People API. Verify that all APIs are enabled successfully. Step 8. Set up migration in Microsoft 365. Return to the Exchange Admin Center and navigate to Migration. Remove any old migration tasks. Click Add Migration Batch and provide a unique name, e.g., Google Migration. Select the migration type as Google Workspace. Verify the prerequisites for migration and click Start. Provide the credentials for the Google Workspace admin account. During the process, download the JSON file for authentication, which includes the client ID and scope. Follow the link to grant domain-wide access in Google Workspace. Add a new key. Provide the client ID copied from the Office 365 portal. Copy the scope from the Office 365 portal and paste it into OAuth scopes. Click Authorize. Return to the Office 365 portal and configure a new migration endpoint. Provide the name, e.g., migration endpoint. Provide the Google Workspace admin account email in the email address section. Upload the JSON file downloaded earlier. Complete the endpoint configuration. Step 9. Start the migration. Upload a CSV file containing the email addresses of the mail users to migrate. The format is: column, email address; rows, user email addresses. Save the file as a CSV. Import the CSV file into the migration batch. Set the target delivery domain to 365mail.dazzlecloudzeus.com. Save and schedule the migration. After the migration, go to Active Users in Microsoft 365 Admin Center and assign licenses with Exchange Online Service to the migrated. Step 10. Finalize the migration. Once all users are migrated, update the MX record to point to the Microsoft 365 tenant. This guide covers prerequisites for Google Workspace to Microsoft 365 migration, adding permissions to the Google Workspace admin account, enabling APIs in Google Cloud, configuring migration endpoints and performing the migration.